In this video, I want to share with you how to add the watermark, put in your logo, and it functions the same way as a subscribe icon within your YouTube video. So let's take a look at one of my videos and you can see the subscribe button or the watermark added to the video. So let's say we're in incognito mode and we are checking this video. Once you come towards the end, you can see the logo over here, logo of Epic Mentorship. When you hover over it, you can see Epic Mentorship, subscribe. So but for you to see this, you have to go to incognito mode so that you will be able to see. You cannot subscribe to yourself, so you have to go to incognito mode, and then you can maybe try to search for your YouTube channel, and then you'll be able to see this subscribe button coming out from the watermark that you've added over here. So in this video, I want to show you how to add this watermark to serve as a quick way to gain more subscribers from your YouTube channel. Okay, so to add this subscribe button or the watermark that leads to this subscribe button, all you need to do is to come back to your channel. So all you need to do is to come to customize channel. Okay, customize your channel, and then you can come over to the branding over here. So you come down to watermark. Okay, so the watermark will appear on your video in the right hand corner of the video player. Okay, so it will appear at the bottom over here, right? So that subscribe icon, once you hover over this icon, will appear and it will keep appearing. But you have the option, the display time. You can display at the end of the video, or you can have a custom start time, maybe at a certain part, then it will start showing, or you can show it towards the entire video. Okay, so this can stay throughout the video. I strongly recommend that you put it to the entire video so that anyone can click within the video while he's watching. Once he hover over this logo or watermark, it's going to just bring in the subscribe button and you can easily click to subscribe. Okay, so to add this, all you need to do is to come over to the directory to follow the procedure and get here, and you can click on change. You can change this to change this particular logo. Maybe you have another one, so you click on change and you can just click on the logo that you are targeting, and once you click on open, it's going to open and replace this very one. So this is basically how to add that watermark so that your video is going to look very much like this, with the logo at the end and with the subscribe button as you play the video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit on how to add the watermark to your YouTube video. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.